Hi. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is 5 to 10 bees. Tips for 5 to 10 bees. If you're not that good. But after this, I think you will. Um, okay, so let's start in the 5 bee zone, because that's low zone. I don't remember, but I I might have done that, but there's a royal jelly up there, just saying. And there's no point of going up there till you have 100 moon charms. I'm not gonna. There's not much about this zone because we've already really covered it. But there's a ticket on Mother Bear's thing, and then a strawberry behind the strawberries. Wait, wait, there. Hi, hi, Mr. Friend. Um, there's. Oh, I. I don't know why I'm always like this. Okay. So there's not, because I've. Oh yeah, if you want to really get a gummy bee, which is over by the ant challenge, then you come here to buy for tickets. How many tickets do I have? I have a lot of gum chops. Excuse me. I have a lot of gum chops, but not many tickets because I'm saving up for a gummy bee right now. So yeah, that's how you get that. I would, if you can, I would recommend there's a ticket shop where you can buy tickets on the 25B zone. I wouldn't recommend buying it because that's just a whip off. Like, it's really bad priced. For like one ticket, it's 400,000 honey.
Please tell them that there's a new quest line for the 5B zone, Panda Bear.
There's a new quest line? What?
No, there's another quest line there's another bear quest line, which is Panda Bear.
There's another bear quest line that is just Panda Bear? I don't know.
Mother Bear and Brown Bear and you got a new quest line to do.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, you got a new quest line, some more quests, I guess. And in here, nothing in this way. But if you go behind the Pro Bear in the Pro shop, then you find this. And why do I always go the wrong way? This shop is so small. Okay, you get a sunflower. Not that good loot, but it's some loot, I guess, if you need sunflower tokens or something. And here's the thing that I wouldn't recommend for many people who do have 5 to 10 bees or less, or even more. Even I can't do it. But Tunnel Bear is down there. Fall down that to meet Tunnel Bear. He's way too hard. And if you want some glue, come behind this pineapple right between the stump field and the pineapple patch. I can barely kill that guy. I don't think. Is that a gum chop? No, that's a love token. Not behind here. It's behind the other one. There's a little pineapple. If you want one, you can, for 20 tickets, you can buy 1 magic bean, or for 200 tickets, you can buy 10 magic beans. Yeah, magic bean. I have never actually really checked much over here. Oh, you can go in there. No point of it, though. I just want to check for anything else other than the glue it down there. Oh, and it's hard to get, but I'm just gonna use the red can so I can do it quickly. To show. There's also So we'll look over here so I don't spoil it. In here you get a ticket, some tickets, same as up on that ledge right there. Ah, nothing up here. Oh, right there, you get some tickets, like 5, I think. I don't know. I'm not. I'm just
Get 3 tickets from that.
3 tickets then. Oh, just you should do memory match because it's kind of fun. Unless you lose.
Well, if you have a lot of honey on you, you should do memory match.
Yeah, a lot of honey. You should do memory match.
Because you can get lots of good loot and items
Like what?
possibly an enzyme.
Yeah, possibly an enzyme. Yeah, up there, there's one.
Magic bean.
Oh, there's a shortcut. But
I just got a
over
magic
there
bean
on that
from memory
dandelion, yeah, you can get a magic bean.
Instead of spending like 2 million honey on the tickets to get the magic bean, I got it from the memory match for only 25k.
Nice. And right there on that dandelion, you can't parkour up to it,
Magic beans is pretty good for like extra resources.
so you can't just go like this. But there's royal jelly up there. Just saying. And this is kind of good, but I wouldn't use it. But we're in a 5v zone. Just get up here.
The slingshot shot me over to a pin.
And wait, I never actually bought the elite barrel. I've never bought it. I just noticed that I've never bought. I've never bought the elite barrel. I bought everything in the pro shop technically. Oh, guess what happened to me? Like you know that propeller hat in the pro shop? I had it once, but then the game updated and I lost it. I didn't have it anymore. And I was like, what? How does that happen? So I don't have it anymore. But I did used to have the propeller hat. But now I don't. Playful hat. Now I just have this, like now I just have like the beekeeper's mask. But it would be nice to have the propeller hat because it gives jump boost. And I like jump boost. I'm gonna go sell. I need to sell. Well, not sell. Make honey. Technically, that's selling. So let's just watch me makes my honey.
Tell them about how you need a vicious bee to kill the stump snail easily.
Oh yeah. So to kill the stump snail easily, you need a vicious bee. Try to get as much high as level as you can. What? I don't.
Like over at my hive, see how my hive vicious bee is level 9?
I'm trying to. So that's Mr. Friend's hive. I'm just gonna stop making honey quickly just to come see it. So yeah, you want to level up everything as much as you can.
No, level up like a vicious bee as much as you can.
Yeah, vicious bee. Mainly vicious bee. But usually do your events, mythicals, and legendaries first to level
If
as
you get a
much.
fuzzy bee from like a royal jelly, I recommend leveling it up.
Yeah, fuzzy bee from royal jelly always level up, especially if it's gifted.
That's like a 0.0 chance of it gifted, like 0.0002.
Look, I got a tadpole for Robux. And I actually got the crimson bee too from Robux. But
Really, I only got like
because when I bought tadpole, it came with 250 tickets, so obviously I'd buy a bee, right? Not spend it on anything else. But oh, and I just had something happen, so I'm gonna go up to the special B zone, the 30 B zone. I just got this opened, and I'm so happy right now. It took me forever. It's gonna take me even longer to do Star Journey. That's what I have to do. Star Journey 1.
Harry, have you collected the ticket right here?
Yeah, I have. I have collected that ticket right there. And there's an enzyme thing. Those yellow. Okay, I'll show you. Enzymes. Like one of those up there next to night memory maps because you get to it at night. And the bubble dude thing has a royal jelly for you, but he doesn't really say anything. He doesn't give you quests. And that thing's a whip off over there, or I'll just come. And don't fall.
Well, for noobs it is, but for pros it's like.
Look at this thing. That's terrible. Oh, and
If you combine a code like Brown Bear Reboot with a Dandelion Field Boost, it is worth it for pro, like pro.
I never have known what that bear is. Like, why is it there? It doesn't. That one under the 30B zone thing platform.
You should go back to the 5 to 10 B zone areas.
Yeah, but I just need to give a little tour, right? Because I just got in here, like, today. Not too long ago. Oh, I want to get up on top of the... Couldn't.
Show them the ticket prices.
Oh yeah, I'll show you the ticket prices. The reason why you should never ever do it. 115 honey for a ticket. No, 115,000 for a ticket. And every time you pay for it, it just gets more expensive. So 10
50 million honey for
23 like 24 million honey for only 100 tickets. And for 500
You have a low price for tickets. Check the 500 one.
it's because the 500 is I don't even like almost 1 billion or something.
Really? That's cheap. Mine's like 4.3 billion.
Cuz you've already bought it.
Yeah, I bought it a lot. The tickets originally start out at like 100K per one ticket, I think. And I think the tickets only keep on getting more expensive each time you purchase it.
Yeah. Or the game updates and they make it way more expensive. Oh, and I forgot about. Oh, actually I didn't, but I just want to collect some royal jellies.
I already got the enzymes from it.
I got.
5 million for the Moonshine one.
Wait, why does it say 4 out of 10 gifted bees? But even though I have like 7 gifted bees. Like, isn't that kind of weird?
Types of gifted bees.
Wait, you need different types?
Yeah.
I don't even have.
Check for a vicious bee.
Wait, not too long ago, I can get the bronze star amulet, but now I can't. What? It must have changed, because before you needed like only 5 gifted bees, not types, because that kind of sucks. Because now now it's gonna be hard to get everything.
Oh, Reese, I'm gonna go do the memory match and see what I get. Up at the Moonshine place. I mean, up at the.
I just want to put some music on, because how.
Reese, come to the 30B zone. I bet I will beat you up here. I'm in the 30B zone.
Wait, Gummy Bee wants 1 gumdrop.
Did you go to this lair?
I can't. I don't have him. I don't have a gummy bee, but it asked for one gummy. How long? 15 minutes and 15 seconds.
Okay, I think we should end off the video probably right here.
I just want to show what's on top, like at night where you can get to if you have a. But to do this parkour, you need a moon amulet, and it needs to be nighttime. So yeah, Bumblebee dude, Bumblebee man.
Also, a memory match up
There's
here.
no point of him. Yeah, memory match up here, and here's the Enzume thing, if you want it.
I just got 25 moon shards. That's a deal.
But if you want, you can get these over here.
Oh my gosh, Reese.
What?
You can get nightmills, magic beans.
Well, there's a problem.
Stingers from
I don't have enough honey. I'm gonna see if I can get enough honey right now.
Go get a moon sprout, because we need moon sprouts.
I'm gonna see if I can.
One in the there's one in the cacti. Come to the cacti.
I'm trying to get 5 million honey so I can at least do one of the memory match. Nope, not enough. Ah, Mondo Chick!
Do you want to feed him, Reese, because he's kind of loud?
Yeah, he's a bit loud.
Yeah, he's a bit of a noisy guy.
Yeah. Ah, I got an itch and I accidentally hit the microphone. Cause I had it like right behind my microphone. That sucks. And I died again.
Died to a Mondo chick.
I keep on dying.
You know this is a long video.
I know, I don't care.
Yeah, but it's the Mondo chick. It's easy. You can just walk away from it.
It's pretty fast, actually.
No, it's not.
I did not just fall.
Speed of speed 1. Like, it's literally speed 1. See, look at it. It's easy to get away.
Okay, I'll walk in front of it. I just got hit.
Look at uh-oh, moon sprout, bro. Go over here.
Or
Cactus.
I don't care. I just want some honey.
Oh yeah, tell them about the Mondo chick, like a bit of extra tips.
Oh,
Mondo chick.
tips for Mondo Chick, I don't know.
The Mondo chick, like, it gives out not moon charms, micro converters.
Yeah, micro converters,
Egg, star treat,
mythical eggs, star treats, star jellies.
but star
It can also give bitter berries.
mythical egg, they're really hard to get from
Yeah.
this
Oh,
Mondo chick. Most commonly found is honey token.
Mr. Friend, Mr. Friend. If we see a mythical egg and I'm near it, can you save it for me?
Well, if you're near it, yeah, but if I'm near it, I need it. Cause I really need a spicy bee.
I want a spicy bee though. You have more mythical bees than me, so technically I should get it.
Spend Robux on our mythical bees.
Yeah, but
We don't like wasting time. Well, we're just
no, but
spoiled. Why is he dead again, Reese? He better not die. His loot's gonna drop.
in 15
Get the
seconds.
stuff,
Like 5 seconds. It'll be like done in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Baby love, come on. Kill him fast.
I need baby love too, but all my babies are dead. I need baby love, but all my bees are dead probably.
All of my bees are dead. Oh no, that's spooky, scary. Oh no, you're not. You're kidding.
Spooky, scary skeletons.
Send shivers down your spine. Probably gonna get copyrighted.
How? Oh yeah,
What do you mean how?
that'll be fine.
Tornado.
Hopefully. Please don't copyright me. Please. No one, please. Yes, I got the marshmallow bee. I think. Did I? I didn't.
I got the microconverter. Microconverters are really useful too.
can probably kill my commando chick. I need to do it now. Do you want to help?
I mean, sure. I'll help you get a star jelly. Oh, there's still some stuff on the field, like a bit of micro converters.
I wanted you to comment that. Well, I guess my comments are off. But no one talk about that. Let's pretend that never happened.
What?
What?
Oh, the 25 and 30 B zone? Yeah, I got you. Oh, I still have so much faith.
Come on to Commandy Chicken area. Come on to the Commando Chicken area. I'm ready to kill him. Yeah, boy. I'm about to. But I can't kill. Okay, the video is way too long. The video's been way too long. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video. Subscribe, leave a like, please. Subscribe. We'll be doing 10 to 15 tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll tell you about a new ace place and also a badge area to collect some sprinklers.
Yeah, bye. Subscribe, like. Okay, bye. View my video. Watch my video.